Hey guys, Cheston with Phone Skope. Today we're going to talk about how our setup works, so therefore everybody's familiarized how to use it properly. First off, it's a two-piece system. So you're going to need to tell us what optics you're trying to hook it up to, as well as what phone you have. So today we have an iPhone 6 Plus. We've snapped it into the case, and then we're going to go ahead and take our adapter and twist it on. So therefore we get a fit, form, and function setup right now that's ready to go right over the eyepiece. So next we got to do, obviously, take the scope skin caps off. Then we're going to take it. Most scopes like to be ran with their eye relief twisted all the way out. So this is what's going to help you eliminate the vignetting. That's a big dark circle. We recommend twisting your eyepiece all the way out and then putting your phone on. Therefore, you're ready to go. We recommend putting it on the opposite side of the way that the eye relief twists. So you'll notice this one twists this way. So we put it this way. That way it doesn't want to, the weight of the phone will not take and twist the eye cup back in. So once we get this set, we go ahead and just turn the camera on, and just like that we've got a full frame image and we're ready to take pictures. So it's as quick as that. Now one of the cool parts is now we can simply just twist this off, leave the adapter on our eyepiece. We can still look through it, zoom it, twist the eye cup in and out, and it's not going to hinder the view, the function of the scope, anything at all. Now we simply take the phone. Once we find what we're looking at, it's on, and we're taking pictures not within minutes, within seconds. Quick, fast, and easy. That's what Phone Skope's all about. Weighing in under 3 ounces, warrior shot for Digiscoping. Look us up. Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to hook your binoculars up using our new universal. So this is our U1. We have two different ones, a smaller one and a larger one. The smaller one fits a lot of common optics, especially almost all binoculars, as well as a lot of the lower grade spotting scopes. So let's go ahead and set this up real quick. First of all, what we're going to do, take your adapter, and then you got your phone that's already locked in your Phone Skope case. Make sure the button is pushed all the way to the back. That means it's locked, so therefore it can't twist. Then we're going to take it, we're going to go ahead and lock it into our phone case. Now we have our phone case ready to go. Push the unlock button. Now you'll notice as we twist this, it's going to spin and the gears are going to open up and close back. So it's gear driven like a 3-jaw chuck in the machine shop industry. So it's built to be able to really tighten down, auto center, and work within a matter of seconds. So let's hook this up to our binoculars now. Go ahead and twist your eye cup all the way out to your eye relief. And then we're going to take the phone, we're going to slide it over it, and we're going to start twisting it until it bites onto it and starts centering itself, and then you're ready to go. Now it's as simple as turn the phone on, screen, and now we're taking pictures, pictures, pictures. As simple as that. Then when we're ready to take it all the way off again, then we just go ahead and twist it backwards, and then it comes right back off. So simple way, effective way to hook your phone with the universal up to a pair of binoculars. Check us out at phoneskope.com or at one of the major retailers, Walmart, Cabela's, Sportsman's Warehouse, and plenty others. Thank you. Hey guys, Cheston with Phone Skope. We're going to go over a quick tip real quick about how to digiscope with your binoculars and be efficient with it. So, we've already got our universal on here. We've got our binos on. The eye relief's twisted all the way out, so now we got a full frame. What we enjoy doing is taking your other eyepiece and go ahead and twisting it up like that. Now that we've got that twisted, all we got to do now is pick it up and we can push the volume button right here. So we're holding it, click, 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 taking pictures. Another great thing to do is if you don't have a tripod, what we recommend doing is throwing your phone in slow-mo. What slow-mo is going to do, it's going to kind of act like a gyro. Instead of sitting here being shaky, it's going to be very smooth and fluid. Therefore, you can pause the video, screenshot, see whatever's going on. Slow-mo is a great way to also take video when the wind's blowing really hard on a spotting scope, and then you can go ahead and use a slow-mo to replay the video, and instead of getting that shakiness, you'll be able to watch that smooth, fluid footage. That's your tip for the day. Thanks for tuning in. Hey guys, Cheston with Phone Skope. Today we're going to talk about our GoPro Hero 4 and our GoPro kit. Pretty simple. First off, you'll notice that our adapter is pressure fit. So, you got the nice sleek case, waterproof, you don't got to worry about any of that. We go ahead and take it, push it on. Next thing we're going to do is take the GoPro and set your field of view, or the FOV is what it's going to show up as, at narrow mode. So set it the highest resolution as possible, but we got to have the narrow because we can't have the camera looking like this. We got to have it looking this way, or else it's going to see our adapter here and it's going to see this and it's going to create excessive vignetting. So make sure it's on narrow mode. Once we get all that put together, we're going to go ahead and power on the camera. Then we're going to drop it back in its case. And we're going to go ahead and lock it in. Now this one's nice because we have a screen on the back, but if you don't have a screen, don't worry. You can go ahead and Bluetooth that to your phone, and therefore you can be able to see what you're doing, stop video, take video, all the above. Now it's as simple as we're going to go ahead and take our adapter here and just going to twist right in. Now we've also got it, and you'll notice in the back, because we're on narrow mode, there is literally no vignetting at all. So now we're going to go ahead and take it, and we're playing with we got a Swarovski today. We're going to put on a Swarovski. Now you're going to want to run the eye relief most of the time all the way out, but we're going to also check and see which one fits this GoPro the best. We'll go ahead and take it, push it on, make sure we're on all the way. Now we're looking at the screen, and we've actually got a perfect field of view already. There's a little bit of vignetting on the sides, so if I twist it in, I get a little bit more, so I twist it out. So right there's the perfect spot. So we call this the sweet spot of the scope. We found it. Now we use some of the zoom of the scope, and just like that, all the vignetting's gone. We're sitting about 45x, and now your GoPro, which normally doesn't have a zoom, now has a zoom of 45 power. So, Phone Skope's here for you. We cover a lot of different things. Phones, tablets, GoPros. Check us out at one of your local dealers, Sportsman's Warehouse, Cabela's, Walmart, or visit us online at phoneskope.com. Thanks for tuning in.